Greetings, friends. This is Manny Gonzales with Horizon Beverage for another edition of Life by the Drop, where I'm pairing some of my favorite beverages with some of my favorite music on my back porch. And today we are pairing the amazing voice of the Velvet Fog, Mel Tormé, Something's Gotta Give, and we're pairing that with one of my favorite wines in the world. This is the Domaine Carneros Brut 2015.
Something's gotta give, something's gotta give, something's gotta give.
Domaine Carneros was founded in 1987 when the Taittinger family, who are some great producers of champagne and Montagne de Reims, came to California to try to find some property to produce some sparkling wine there. When they were in California, they found this plot of land in a region called Carneros. Now, Carneros is in the southern part of Napa, and it's actually sandwiched in between Sonoma and Napa Valley, and both of these regions share this AVA, or this small appellation. Our soils here are clay, some silt as well, because we're not far from the San Pablo Bay, which helps regulate the temperature and brings the fog line in to keep our area cool. We're actually a little cooler than in Burgundy here, but we're definitely warmer than Champagne.
Those lips I adore, but how long can anyone try? Fight it with all of our might. Chances are some heavenly stars.
The winemaker here is Eileen Crane. She's been producing since the inception in 1987 and makes such a beautiful méthode traditionnelle or méthode champenoise, or champagne method. Our wine is spending about 3.5 to 4 years on the lees. So this is where all those beautiful brioche aromas are coming from, those toasty quality that you find with great sparkling wines. Like Champagne, we're Pinot Noir and Chardonnay as the base. We do a little bit of Pinot Gris rather than Pinot Meunier, which is what you would find in Champagne. Now, in terms of pairing, Domaine Carneros works with a lot of different foods. Yes, it's great with seafood. It is super money with oysters. Really beautiful pairing. In fact, I would recommend pouring a little bit of Domaine Carneros on the oyster itself. In terms of music, this works with Mel Tormé beautifully because, well, first of all, you have fog lines that come in through Carneros that help regulate the temperature. Mel Tormé is called the Velvet Fog. His voice is just beautiful. It really sounds velvety. It sounds rich and full. That's our Pinot Noir. You get a little bit of high end from the trumpet in the song. That's our Chardonnay. And then there's a touch of Pinot Gris in here, which gives the wine just this beautiful floral component. I hope you enjoyed today's pairing. We will see you on Wednesday at 5 o'clock. We'll be actually talking about Champagne, and we'll be talking about Taittinger. And then on Friday at 5 o'clock, we'll be doing our live Q&A, and we'll be finishing up with an original piece and a little bit of rosé champagne as well. Thank you for the time. I appreciate it. Cheers. Keep on listening. Keep on drinking.